Today we continue our series on Las Vegas hotels. Our next stop, Planet Hollywood. Hello everybody, it's Travelin' Joe, and today we're at Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas. Planet Hollywood is located near the center of the Strip and is operated by Caesars Entertainment. Let's take a look at everything the resort has to offer. If you're enjoying our videos, please like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. The lobby is located at the rear of the hotel on the lower level. Check-in time is 3 p.m. and checkout time is 11 a.m. As usual, I used mobile check-in and I was able to print my keys at one of the kiosks. It's fast and easy and will save you a lot of time. Located in the lobby is a Planet Hollywood 24 store where you can buy gifts and souvenirs and refreshments. But there's an ABC store right upstairs and their prices are much cheaper. There's also an Enterprise rent-a-car counter in the lobby. In addition, there's a Starbucks located in the lobby. This is one of two Starbucks located at the resort. Okay, we have our keys and are all checked in, so let's head upstairs. My room was located on the 7th floor of the hotel. There are over 2,500 rooms at Planet Hollywood. I booked the Ultra Hip room with one king-size bed. At 450 square feet, the room was quite spacious and had a modern decor. There's a small seating area along with a luxury bed and modern furnishings. There are also designer touches throughout. The white walls feature edgy photos of models accented with huge brushstrokes. The rooms at Planet Hollywood feature a trendy vibe. I found the room to be spacious and comfortable with a lot of amenities. The rooms also featured a sofa as well as a large wardrobe with Hollywood painted on the front, as well as a large screen TV, desk, and a mini refrigerator. Inside the wardrobe is plenty of room for clothes, an ironing board and iron, luggage rack, and your in-room safe. The bathrooms at Planet Hollywood are large and spacious. It featured a single-sink granite vanity with a backlit mirror. In the middle of the bathroom is an extra-large soaking tub. Standard toiletries are included as well as hair dryers. There's also a separate large glass-enclosed shower. It also featured a separate water closet with a sliding pocket door. Okay, that takes care of the room. Let's check out the casino. The casino at Planet Hollywood encompasses nearly 65,000 square feet. This is a mid-sized casino which features a Hollywood hip theme. The casino has a sleek look and features plenty of Art Deco glamour. There are over 950 slot machines at Planet Hollywood. There's a wide variety of games with varying denominations, including penny slots. In addition, there's video reel, video poker, and other machines. Also featured are many progressive machines like Megabucks, Wheel of Fortune, and more. There are 86 table games at Planet Hollywood, including roulette, craps, and blackjack. You'll also find a wide selection of electronic table games, including blackjack and roulette. For all you high rollers out there, there's a high-limit slots room, as well as a high-limit table game room. Also located on the casino floor is the MGM Sportsbook and Ringers Sports Bar. In addition to placing wagers, the Sportsbook offers over 55 plasma TVs and a dedicated VIP race area. Ringers Sports Bar offers a variety of viewing options, including LED screens and VIP table packages. And don't forget to grab a slice of pizza at Pin Up Pizza. There are several bars and restaurants located on the casino floor. Let's take a look. The Heart Bar features live DJ-spun music and multiple flat-screen TVs. The bar features a large circular bar and is a great place for people watching. The Heart Bar is open 24 hours. Next up is the Extra Lounge. The Extra Lounge, which is also open 24 hours a day, boasts an impressive drink menu, and you'll be able to play video poker right at the bar. Located just outside the casino is the Blue Moon Bar. The bar features craft brews and inventive beer-based cocktails. The bar features giant 80-inch screens and is located in front of the back theater. It's a great place to grab a drink before the show. There are several restaurants on the casino floor, including Cafe Hollywood. The restaurant serves breakfast all day and features a photo gallery of its biggest entertainment moments in its 30-year history. P.F. Chang's features Chinese cuisine, complemented by a stunning multi-story dining room and an open-air patio overlooking the Strip. Gordon Ramsay Burger, by TV celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay, features hamburgers cooked over an open flame fueled by hardwoods, the only restaurant on the Strip that uses this method. This is a very popular restaurant, and wait times can be long, so be prepared. I've eaten here before, and it's definitely worth the wait. Yolo's Mexican Grill offers a tequila bar and a fresh fruit margarita bar. The restaurant offers all your Mexican favorites, including fajitas, enchiladas, chicken, beef, and carne asada tacos. Earl of Sandwich, the national chain, boasts the world's greatest hot sandwich. I found this to be a great spot for a quick bite, and the prices are pretty reasonable compared to other outlets. The second of the two Starbucks is located just off the casino floor. As you probably already know, the place can get pretty crowded during the morning. Located just off the casino floor are the Miracle Mile Shops. The Miracle Mile Shops is a 1.2-mile mall, which features 150 shops, restaurants, and live entertainment venues. Among the entertainment venues is the Backed Theater. The Backed Theater is a 7,000-seat state-of-the-art theater featuring A-list residencies like Keith Urban and Shania Twain. The Saks Theater and the V Theater are home to a variety of live theater productions across two theater complexes. They are home to the long-running Vegas the Show and V the Ultimate Variety Show. Popular restaurants include La Salsa Cantina Mexican Restaurant and Flights. Flights serves cocktails along with brunch, lunch, and dinner. Pampas is a Brazilian-style steakhouse where meat is prepared and spit roasted over a brick rodizio. Cabo Wabo is Sammy Hagar's dining and live music venue and offers a mix of coastal Mexican and Tex-Mex cuisine. Blondie's Sports Bar offers a full bar menu along with cheerleaders and 35 big-screen TVs. The Miracle Mile Shops is home to many popular retail outlets. This place is so big that I can't possibly cover it all in one video. I'll have a separate video coming up in the near future. One of the great things about staying at Planet Hollywood is you have all of this at your fingertips. We've covered the casino and the Miracle Mile Shops. Now let's head upstairs to the mezzanine. Here you'll find the Criss Angel Theater featuring Criss Angel Mind Freak. The show features over 75 of Criss Angel's illusions. He also performs his most legendary demonstrations. There are two restaurants on the mezzanine level. The Strip House Steakhouse features beef, seafood specials, and an extensive wine list. Just next door is Koi Japanese Restaurant. The restaurant features fine Japanese cuisine with a California twist. Also located on the mezzanine level is Reflections Spa and Fitness Center. Services available include massages, facials, body treatments, whirlpools, saunas, and nail salon. Just behind the spa is an 1,800 square foot fitness center. The fitness center is equipped with cardio machines, strength equipment, and free weights. Use of the fitness center is included with your resort fee. And last but not least, we come to the pool complex. The pool is located on the 6th floor. As you enter, you'll come into a large concrete deck. Here you'll find lounge chairs, games including cornhole, and casino-style games. There are 2 pools, one on each side of the deck. You'll have to go up the stairs or use the ramp to access each pool. The pool to the left is an adults-only pool and features lounge chairs, day beds, and cabanas. Most of the seating around the pool is reserved, so you'll have to pay an extra fee. There's definitely a lack of free seating around the pools. There's a bar located at this pool, which serves frozen cocktails, specialty drinks, beer, and wine. Just next to the bar is the Flow Rider. Here you can practice your surfing skills. The cost is $30 per half hour, or you can purchase an all-day pass online. On the right side of the deck, you'll find the other pool. This pool is very similar to the first one, but this one is family friendly. You'll have a terrific view of the Las Vegas Strip, but like the first pool, most of the seating here is reserved. Cabana rental prices can be found online and vary by the day. All in all, the pool deck here is quite nice, and there are plenty of things to do. My only criticism would be the lack of free seating around the pools themselves. So if you don't want to spend the extra money, you'll have to get a chair on the concrete deck. And since both pools are elevated, you won't be able to see your pool. Other than that, it's still a fun pool complex, and I enjoyed it. Well, it's time to wrap the video up. I certainly hope you enjoyed our tour of Planet Hollywood, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Traveling Joe saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.